Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows 11. So all you have to do here is go to your start menu, and then this time you have to type taskbar, and you should see this taskbar setting here. And what you're going to do next is you have to click open. Now, this is a taskbar setting, and as you can see, there are options below, and all you have to do is to toggle on and toggle off. In order for you to simply hide a taskbar on Windows, you just have to turn on this setting or option right here, and you should see the result. So you have your option to hide taskbar using your desktop or using your tablet here. So all you have to do is to just simply toggle on, and this is what it looks like. And that's how easy it is. Make sure that you toggle or turn this one on. So what would be the advantage of hiding your taskbar here on your Windows? So of course, more screen space, you will have a cleaner desktop look, better immersion, improves focus, great for screenshots or presentations. So basically that's it. A hidden taskbar will give you a minimalist distraction-free appearance, and it's also useful for smaller screens and laptops. Another thing is that especially this one is helpful during full screen games or video playback, let's just say better immersion, and of course improves focus, like fewer visual distractions that can help improve concentration during work or studies. So basically that's how easy it is to hide taskbar on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.